Hi, I'm Wendy. Welcome to Baby on Board. In this video, we will cover developmental milestones and what to expect from your baby from 4 to 9 months. At 4 months, most babies have started rolling. You can encourage this with tummy time and lying baby on their tummy with a bright toy just out of reach to the side. At 4 months, one should be aware that babies can roll unexpectedly, so babies should never be left on a bed or on a change table without someone close by. Once they are rolling, it can be safer to change them on a change mat on the floor. Once babies are rolling, you usually stop swaddling and put baby in a sleep suit at bedtime. They can be a little more unsettled as they get used to not being swaddled, but it is safer to persevere with no swaddle. Other things that your baby might be doing by 4 months is smiling and chuckling, and may laugh out loud and will look at you and make sounds to get your attention. By 4 to 5 months, babies definitely recognise and prefer the main caregiver and familiar people. Apparently, by this age, it dawns upon a baby that they are separate from their parents and can be abandoned. They show signs of distress if the main caregiver is not present. Psychologists think that before this age, little babies think that you are part of them, and when they realise that they are separate, it is the beginning of separation anxiety. So politicians take note. Trying to kiss or hold a 6-month-old baby guarantees that the baby will start crying. Other milestones are that by 4 months, babies will push up on their forearms when lying on their tummy and will bring their hands to their mouth. Around this age is when babies discover their hands and will often lie on their back in the cot and look at their hands. By 6 months, they have discovered their feet and may suck their feet in a marvellous display of agility. When I did my home visits, I used to say to Mum, they will never be this limber again. From 5 months on is the oral phase, where objects are explored with baby's mouth. Your baby learns about texture, temperature and taste by exploring objects with their mouth. This is because their hands are not yet sensitive enough to teach them these lessons. So let them play on a rug with some clean toys or explore the lawn in the park. Stay on hand in the park to prevent them from eating anything within their grasp. By 6 months, babies will often enjoy looking in the mirror and will often drop things from a high chair when feeding. This can be frustrating, but your baby will learn how aerodynamic food is by doing this. You usually start solids at 6 months, which we have covered in a previous video. Most babies have started teething, as 5 months is the average time to get your first tooth. Teething schedules tend to run in families, and some babies may take a bit longer. If your child has no baby teeth by 1, it's a good idea to visit a dentist. By 6 months, one would expect babies' communication skills to have improved, and squealing loudly can be a feature of this age. I squeal, therefore I am. Babies can enjoy making loud sounds and will often babble for their own amusement. Often when sitting in a cafe, a baby will squeal and everyone jumps. This can reinforce babies doing this, so if it is getting on your nerves, try to ignore it and give baby a lot of attention when they are quiet. Squealing is a phase that passes. Babies will know their name and often have some communication noises, but 12 months is the average time for their first word. By 9 months, you would expect your baby to pass objects from one hand to the other and to use a pincer grip. 9 months is the peak of separation anxiety, and your baby will often be very clingy and cry when you leave. They may want to be very close to you all the time and be fearful around strangers. This is a normal part of baby development and will pass. It can feel a bit claustrophobic, but always kiss your baby goodbye when you're leaving them, even if it does open the floodgates. Leaving baby by sneaking off can make them clingier. Usually by 9 months, most babies can sit unsupported and may have started crawling. Most babies can sit propped up by 6 months, but they can tumble over if the support is moved. 8 months is the average time to start crawling. It's a good idea to baby-proof your house at this stage. Cover the electrical outlets, get the kitchen drawers baby locks, and keep baby out of dangerous areas like the kitchen with baby gates. It will stop you spending a lot of your time saying no. I hope your baby is developing beautifully, but remember there is a wide variation in normal. Please stay to the end of this video to see what our next video is about. If you found any of this information useful, please like and subscribe and share this video with others who might find it useful. Do share your own experiences in the comments. If you click or tap the video on the right-hand corner of the screen, it will take you to another video. See you next time.